Hello, how are you? My name is Rosa Cortez Sanchez. I am from Vélez Santander. I am 30 years. Study systems. I have one son, Johan. Our Lady of Snow Cathedral is located in the province of Vélez Santander, in the lower part of the main park. Built in 1516 by the Paris priest Louis Stages, its architectural heritage is known as the Church's Cross because its entrance is on one side. It is known that it is the second that has this characteristic in the world. It is was reformed in the 1988. Had stall have to invite you to visit our castle, which is beautiful both inside and outside, and with a lot of interesting history and the number of faithful people you have to help you take aware of and feel the peace you feel when you enter it. Thank you.